Money isn't evil, not knowing how it works is. Money isn't evil. But saying that is uncomfortable, right? That's because most of us were raised on broken beliefs like money changes people. Rich people are selfish. Just be grateful for what you have. And while you were learning that, the world was learning how to leverage money. Let's fix that, starting now. Where the fear around money comes from. You were probably taught to save it. Maybe spend it wisely. But rarely how to grow it or control it. Why? Because most of your parents weren't taught either. And when money becomes a source of fear, you push it away, even when you say you want more. That's not humility. That's programming. And it's costing you. Ignorance is the real danger. Money doesn't make people bad. It amplifies who they already are. If you're kind, money lets you give more. If you're smart, money lets you scale more. If you're intentional, money gives you freedom. But if you don't understand it, you'll keep trading your entire life for just enough to survive. And that's what's evil. Financial literacy, the game changer. You don't need to become a stock expert. But you do need to understand. White heavy checkmark what income really is. White heavy checkmark why saving alone won't save you. White heavy checkmark the power of ownership, assets, not liabilities. White heavy checkmark how to make money work, even when you're not. Financial literacy equals life control. Without it, even hard work won't save you. Change the way you talk about money. Stop saying, I'm broke. Money's not for people like me. I'll never figure this out. That mindset is more expensive than anything you can buy. Start saying, I'm learning to control my money. I'm building wealth my way. I deserve options. Because that's what money gives you, options. Build wealth quietly. Smartly. Daily. The goal isn't a Lamborghini. The goal is freedom to choose. Where you live. How you spend. Who you answer to. Money is a tool. Not a god. Not a devil. Just a tool. The more you master it, the less it controls you. If you're ready to unlearn the fear, and finally take control of your money story, subscribe. And drop a $1 banknote in the comments. If you're choosing education over excuses starting today,